Are you getting the "there is a problem connecting to Netflix" error on your iPhone? This usually happens because of unstable internet connection, corrupted app data, or a temporary network issue on the device. So, here's what you can do to fix it. Solution 1. Restart Wi-Fi and iPhone. Swipe down from the top of your iPhone. Turn off Wi-Fi from the control center. After that, restart your iPhone. Meanwhile, unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds. Then plug it back in. Now reconnect to Wi-Fi on your iPhone by turning it on. Open Netflix and check if it works. Solution 2. Test the server status. If Netflix servers are down, you will not be able to use it properly. You can check this online. Open a browser, search Down Detector Netflix, open the Down Detector link, check for any recent server outages on Netflix. If you see any server issues, wait for a few hours for the servers to get back up. The problem should be fixed automatically. Solution 3. Clear Netflix app cache. Go to Settings, find and tap General. Now tap iPhone Storage. Find Netflix and tap on it. Then tap Offload App and confirm your choice. After that is done, reinstall the app from here. This clears corrupted cache without deleting your account. Solution 4. Reset Internet Settings. Go to Settings, find and tap General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode and confirm your choice. This clears network bugs and reconnects cleanly. You can now reconnect to Wi-Fi and open Netflix again. And that's how you fix it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Netflix iPhone fixes. See you next time.